Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best disposable nail files are probably one of the most hygienic and convenient options for maintaining perfectly shaped nails, especially when you're on the go or want to ensure a pristine experience every time. These files eliminate the risk of cross-contamination, making them a favorite for salons and individuals alike who prioritize cleanliness and ease of use. Forget about cleaning and sanitizing traditional files. With disposables, you simply use one and toss it, guaranteeing a fresh surface for every manicure and pedicure, which ultimately leads to a smoother, more professional finish for your nails. Number 5. TsMADDTs 12 PCS Nail Files and Buffers Kit, Black. Achieve salon-quality manicures at home with this professional nail file and buffer kit. It includes everything you need for perfect nail shaping and smoothing. These tools feature a 100-180 grit design, perfect for shaping natural nails and smoothing acrylics. The rougher side tackles imperfections while the finer side refines your nail's edge. Skip the salon trips and save money by doing your nails yourself. These tools work quickly and efficiently, giving you professional results in no time. Our durable buffer blocks are made from high elastic sponge material. They allow for gentle polishing and smoothing without damaging your nails, leaving them beautifully finished. Whether you have natural nails, acrylics, or false nails, this kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for anyone who loves to create beautiful nail art. This comprehensive set includes 6 double-sided nail files and 6 colorful buffer blocks. Get ready to transform your nails with this all-in-one solution. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for both filing and buffing, making it incredibly versatile. The inclusion of multiple colors adds a fun element to your nail care routine. If you enjoy having a complete set for various nail tasks and appreciate a bit of color, this is a great choice for at-home manicures. What people say. The buffer blocks are sturdy, easy to hold, and smooth the nail surface without feeling too harsh. The 100-180 grit files strike a nice balance, strong enough to shape the nail quickly but gentle enough for regular at-home use. This set works beautifully on both natural nails and acrylics. The files have just the right amount of grit without being harsh, and the buffers smooth everything out with very little effort. They feel durable in the hand and don't bend or crumble like most budget files. The files are sturdy, the buffers smooth perfectly, and it leaves my nails looking salon ready. Easy to use and great quality. Number 4. Makartt Professional Nail Files 10 PCS. Introducing Makartt's Professional Nail Files, designed for precision and versatility. Achieve salon-quality results at home or in the salon with these essential tools. These double-sided boards offer a 100 grit side for shaping and roughing, and a 180 grit side for smoothing and refining. They are perfect for acrylics, gels, and natural nails. Experience comfortable and easy filing with their ergonomic curved design. The rounded edges and comfortable grip make them ideal for reaching difficult areas like the cuticle. Crafted from high-quality materials, these files are built to last. They are also easily washable and reusable, ensuring hygiene and durability for long-term use. Whether you have thick nails, toenails, or need to work with extensions, these files are up to the task. They are gentle enough for natural nails and strong enough for enhancements. These files are designed with safety in mind. They are gentle enough for use on natural nails and can even be used for pet grooming, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. What we like? The unique curved design of these files makes them exceptionally comfortable to hold and maneuver, especially around the cuticle area. Their robust build ensures they won't bend easily, providing a reliable filing experience. If you're looking for a file that offers superior comfort and control, especially for detailed work near the cuticle, this is the one for you. What people say. These files are great for travel and don't take up much space. The grit on these files is perfect for shaping and smoothing. I love that these are disposable and I don't have to worry about cleaning them. Number 3. Makartt 100-180 Grit Professional Nail Files. Achieve salon-quality nails with these professional tools. They are perfect for shaping, grinding, smoothing, and polishing your nails to perfection. Featuring both 100 and 180 grit sides, these files are ideal for roughing hard nails and then smoothing them for a refined finish. Crafted from high-quality materials, these double-sided files are durable and washable. They provide immediate results with just light pressure without bending. Get salon-level results effortlessly. These tools are perfect for acrylics, gel removal, manicures, pedicures, and even pet grooming. A must-have for both professional salons and home use. Keep your nails looking perfect anytime, anywhere, making them a great gift for any occasion. What we like. These files are designed for professional results, offering excellent shaping and smoothing capabilities, even for removing gel. Their washable and reusable nature makes them a hygienic and cost-effective option. If you want salon-quality results at home and are looking for durable, reusable files that offer great value, these are a fantastic pick. What people say. These files are great for travel and don't take up much space. The grid is perfect for shaping and smoothing my nails without damaging them. I love that they are disposable, making cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Professional Disposable 3-Piece Manicure Kit. Introducing our Professional Disposable Manicure Kit. Each set is individually packed for ultimate convenience and hygiene, making it perfect for salons and spas. This kit includes a double-sided wood nail file with 100-180 grit. It's perfect for shaping all types of nails, including natural, acrylic, and false nails. Achieve a smooth finish with the purple mini nail buffer. Its 80-100 grit is ideal for prepping your nails before applying polish or gel. The double-ended wood stick offers versatility. Use it as a cuticle pusher, a cleaning tool for polish overflow, or a precise applicator. Each basic set contains 3 essential tools: a disposable nail file, a mini buffer, and a wood stick. Get everything you need for a perfect manicure. This offer provides 100 sets of our essential manicure tools. It's an economical choice for professionals and frequent users alike. What we like. This kit provides the ultimate convenience with each set individually packed, perfect for hygiene-conscious users or for travel. It includes a file, buffer, and wood stick, offering a complete manicure solution in one go. If you prioritize hygiene, convenience, and a no-fuss approach to nail care, especially for salons or on-the-go touch-ups, these disposable kits are ideal. What people say. These files are great for quick touch-ups and shaping. They are very durable and don't break easily. The grit is fine enough to smooth edges without damaging the nail. Number 1. Professional Double-Sided Emery Board Nail Files. Quickly trim and shape your acrylic nails to the perfect length and style. These files are designed to efficiently remove gel from your extensions. With an 80-100 grit, these are ideal for working with acrylic and false nails. The rounded top design ensures a safe and comfortable experience, preventing any accidental injuries. These mini files are conveniently sized for easy gripping and polishing. Their portable nature means you can achieve a perfect manicure anytime, anywhere. Crafted with a high-quality sandpaper surface and a safe wooden core, these tools are gentle and effective for your nail care needs. Perfect for professional salon use or as a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys DIY nail art at home. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. What we like. With an 80-100 grit, these files are specifically designed for tougher materials like acrylic and poly gel, making them perfect for extensions and removal. The rounded tip design adds an extra layer of safety to prevent accidental nicks. If you frequently work with acrylics or extensions and need a file that's both effective and safe for these purposes, this is your go-to option. What people say. These nail files are amazing for fine finishing. They leave my nails so smooth. Best for thicker hard nails, especially for toenails that are hard to cut. They don't get dull like other nail files. Work well on gel nails. They are thinner than the bigger files and better for shaping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.